Welcome to Redline Review. The electric 2026 BYD campervan combines high-performance engineering and imaginative, functional interior design. This zero-emission RV from BYD, a global electric car leader, is fast, luxurious, and stylish. Performance dual-motor all-wheel drive electric powertrain produces 600 horsepower and immediate torque in the 2026 BYD Motorhome. Between charges, it can travel 700 kilometers, 435 miles. The RV can charge 80% in 35 minutes with BYD's Blade battery. The drive's low center of gravity and clever suspension system make it stable, smooth, and whisper quiet at highway speeds. Exterior design: smooth aerodynamic proportions, a wide panoramic windscreen, and LED matrix lighting define the futuristic exterior. RV has 22-inch aerodynamic wheels and a fully integrated solar panel rooftop for electricity. Its sleek front fascia and BYD's iconic lighting strip give it a futuristic flair. Elegant interiors: this stylish, eco-friendly interior has modern smart home appliances and eco-friendly materials. The main bedroom contains a king-size memory foam bed, LED mood lighting, automated curtains, and a personal entertainment system. Noise-insulated walls maximize seclusion and comfort. The bathroom suite has a touchscreen controlled anti-fog mirror, rainfall shower, heated floors, and a bidet-equipped smart toilet. Clean water systems use BYD's filtering technology. Living area: a large living area with a panorama glass ceiling that can be translucent or opaque. Vegan leather couches, a 65-inch retractable smart TV, and a foldable workstation. Fully equipped kitchen with smart induction cooktop, digital inventory managed refrigerator, touchscreen controlled oven, and mini dishwasher. Quartz countertops are reclaimed. Climate and light control: smart sensors let you adjust home lighting and temperature. The primary touchscreen, voice assistant, or smartphone app can control everything. Features in tech satellite internet and global 5G connectivity, AR windscreen for navigation and hazard detection, concealed garage for e-bike or scooter, integrated solar array for off-grid support and backup energy, semi-autonomous highway cruising with BYD Intelligent Drive Assist, and intelligent energy management system for cost-effective power consumption. Beyond a car, the 2026 BYD Motorhome is an all-electric, self-sufficient, elegant mobile house. Modern travelers get cutting-edge performance, imaginative design, and eco-friendly comfort in this RV. Whether they're camping or going abroad,